Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change row height in Excel to millimeter. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet or create your sheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I change this row height in Excel 2 millimeter. Select this row, then go to file menu and click option. Now click advanced. Now go to display menu. Now you can see here are my display menu and rulers units are inches. Now I choose millimeters, then press OK. Now I change row height in Excel to millimeter. Right click on this row and go to row height. Now write anything and it's increased to millimeter. You can see I change row height in Excel to millimeter very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for